Shooter's ready. Stand by.
What's the cost there? She didn't give a quote on that. I'll buy it.
It's 14 rounds on that boy.
But I'm down in Buda, so it's kind of a long drive.
You said 6 in the mags, right? Pistol?
Yeah,
Yes,
pistol,
6.
10 rifle.
6 pistol.
6 and 10. Now, California rule. Now, hold on, buddy. California.
The mags are what they say.
4-7. Moving.
Oh, it's such a mud.
Move, move, move.
Time 22.93. All right, your magazines are all where you want them to be?
Yeah.
Okay. On safety, please. All right.
So I'm going back that way now?
You're going straight ahead.
Nice. Start from the left?
Doesn't matter.
Start anywhere you want. You can shoot one guy in the middle if you want. Doesn't matter to me. So. All right, give me an eye when you're ready. Shooter's ready. Stand by.
Hey Dennis, let me give you Okay, this turns it on. Set.
Time 17.5. Time 18.05.
That's right.
Yep. Time 33.80. This guy. This way, over here, over here.
Thank you.
There you go. These two front cover. All right, if you're done, 26.85.